Actually, I did not go to any coaching to prepare for COET, and based on my experience, I do not think that it is necessary for you to take a coaching. Most of it can be done via self study. All of it is mainly going through your NCRTs, and that can be done on your own.
I would say CUET coaching is definitely not as important or not does not hold the same weightage that people give it, because CUET mein there's mainly practice and there's mainly time management. So for that, mocks are the game changer, right? And going through your NCRT books multiple times. There's no coaching in the world that can teach you the NCRT directly. They can teach you NCRT, but absorbing the NCRT and actually performing with the knowledge is going to be your part in the exam.
मेरे हिसाब से कोचिंग के बजाय अगर आप मॉक्स लगाएंगे वो ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा, ना कि कोचिंग, क्योंकि आपने 12th में सब पढ़ा हुआ है, आपके बेस सारे क्लियर हैं। बट मॉक्स आपको इसलिए हेल्पफुल रहते हैं क्योंकि आपको पता चलता है कि पैटर्न कैसा है एग्जाम का, आपको एमसीक्यू की हैबिट लगती है अटेम्प्ट करने की, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है।
90% of the syllabus is from your class 12th, so उसके लिए you don't need to take any coaching, उसमें आपका टाइम ही वेस्ट होगा। उससे अच्छा just stick to the NCRT. मॉक्स जितने ज़्यादा दे सकते हैं दीजिए और उसको एनालाइज करिए।
The burning question that I had in my mind when I was starting my preparation was, should I take coaching? Should I not take coaching? If I'm taking coaching, which coaching should I take? To be very honest with you, it depends on your personal qualities. It is a very subjective thing. But this is an exam that can be cracked without coaching as well. The only criteria is that you need to be very consistent with your preparation. In my personal experience, I also did join a coaching initially in the first week of my preparation, but I realized that this was taking a lot more time than I could have done it faster myself. So I took the hard decision of preparing for this exam myself. The one thing that I have noticed is that coaching centers will only teach you on the basis of past patterns. But this is a very, very new exam, right? So what happens is that they will only teach you XYZ limited things. After a point, you have to go beyond what they are teaching and discover for yourself. For example, is this time in the economics exam, it was made particularly hard, and most coaching institutes just said, leave these boxes, don't do this, because it never comes. But it came this time, right? So the one thing that you need to do is, once you are done, you have to go over and above yourself. That the coaching will not help you. Generally, coachings don't help.
कुश्ती के लिए आप अपना हिसाब से चेक कीजिए, क्योंकि मेरा एक और भी केस था मैम कि मैंने कभी 10th स्टैंडर्ड में भी कभी ट्यूशन नहीं लगाया। सो ट्यूशन वाज अ वेरी न्यू थिंग फॉर मी। मैंने जस्ट 12th में ही लगाया था। एंड आई सजेस्ट कि मत लगाओ ट्यूशन्स, क्योंकि जो भी आपको पढ़ना है, आपको मॉक सॉल्व करनी है, आप एक मॉक खरीद लो। जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये बेस्ट था क्योंकि बहुत सारे मॉक्स आपको मिलते हैं इसमें। आप अगर ह्यूमैनिटीज़ से हो एंड आप मेरे जैसे एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे हो, तो आपको जो वो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स है वो सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफर भी नहीं करते। कोचिंग मत लगाओ, मैंने लगाई थी एंड आई रिग्रेट दिस वेरी मच, क्योंकि मेरे बहुत पैसे बर्बाद हो चुके हैं उसमें। अब बाकी अपना जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं उसको एनसीईआरटी से पढ़िए एंड मॉक सॉल्व कीजिए। मॉक्स आर वेरी नेसेसरी।